Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about numerical data type in Python, and I'm going to explain all the arithmetic operations that we can perform using Python. Instead of explaining all these concepts on VS Code, I just want to explore this command prompt, that is CMD. If you can just type CMD in your search bar, you'll be having this particular option, that is command prompt. You just tap onto that. Now you'll be seeing a dark black screen window, and you can just type Python, and if you hit enter, you are entered into this Python interface. Now you just clear out all the screen, that is clear, enter. Now you can perform any operation that you want. For example, 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6, 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 9 minus 1 equal to 8, 8 divided by 4 equal to 2, 8 modulus 4 gives you the remainder, that is 0, and 5 exponent 2, nothing but 5 square, gives you 25, and we have 6 exclusive OR 3 gives you 5. So till this point, that is till 5 square, you are pretty much clear like about this output. Now you may be wondering, like, how does it give you 6 exclusive OR 3 gives you 5? How does it happen? Actually, you want to know this thing. I'll explain this. So we have this 6, and we also have 3. Here we are performing some bitwise exclusive OR operation. This symbol indicates bitwise exclusive OR. This is bitwise exclusive OR operator. Okay, so how does it work? Let's see. So we have binary numbers. So 110 is the binary form for the digit 6. We also have 011. It is the binary form for the digit, that is 3. Now what happens is, according to the bitwise exclusive OR truth table, 0 exclusive OR 0 equal to 0. 1 exclusive OR 1 equal to 0. 0 exclusive OR 1 is equal to 1. 1 exclusive OR 0 is equal to 1. So in this case, what happens is, see here, now you'll be getting 1, 0, 1. How does it get? See here, 0 exclusive OR 1 is nothing but 1. So that's the reason we have placed here 1. Now here, 1 exclusive OR 1 is nothing but 0. So that's the reason why we have kept 0. And see here, 0 and 1. So 0, 0 and 1, nothing but 1. So this is the result of this particular thing. So this particular table is nothing but exclusive OR truth table, we can call it as. So according to this exclusive OR truth table, so this is, so these are the principles that we have to follow whenever we are encountering these binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. So according to the binary form, so we are getting this 101 as in the form of binary. Now this 101 binary format is equal to the digit, that is 5. So that's the reason why our Python has given us the output, that is 5. Okay. So now that I have already explained you, for example, let me just, okay. So now that I have just already explained you, in Python, we have so and so operators like plus, minus, multiply, division, modulus, exponential, bitwise exclusive OR operator. So all these operators will follow a particular rule, that is PEMDAS. PEMDAS. When you say PEMDAS, it's obviously nothing but P is nothing but parenthesis, E is nothing but exponential, M is multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So according to this particular order, that is according to this particular order, Python executes all these operators. Okay. So yeah, that's it.